Where is 9? Where does 9 stop?
Yeah.
So that's where, after that 9, that is where the second TR should stop. So I expect to see a TR ending there. After the TD. Yes. Exactly. Then another TR should start after that. So hit enter there and start another TR. Delete that one. Or you count 9 again.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Careful, oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah.
Okay. You know what to do. So close the TR there. No, that's not where you look at what you are doing now. You want to mess it up. It's after the TD closes. Where the TD closes, that's where you hit enter. That's not the right place. Are you listening to me at all? I said that's not the right place. You're still going to go and do this thing there.
You said I should press enter.
Where the TD closes. Is that where a TD closes? Then another TR should start there. Another TR should start after that one. Yes. Better. Close up that space that you put there for that TD. Close up that space.
Yes, sir.
No, I said close up the space. Yes, that space. That's what I said. Oh yeah, count another 9 from there. Count another 9. Okay, you have copied. Good. You've noticed what is happening now.
1,
So
2,
count another
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
It looks like you're enjoying this copying and pasting business.
Yes, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Better.
1, 2.
Okay.
There's only going to be 2 left on that row, I think.
Okay, that's no problem. Just go ahead and now you good. You also need to delete that TR, that closing TR. The one under that one. Yes. You don't need that one. Yes. So everything is okay now. Now go and check your work. You see it looks better now. Even though the last one is not complete.
Okay, it works now.
Okay. But you see that one that doesn't have any picture. It means that you did not reference the picture correctly.
The if statement and the
Yes. No, not I don't know what. So check the picture that's there. You didn't reference it correctly.
This one.
You understand what I mean?
Okay, this one is mod.png.
Okay.
And the if statement should be up here. The if. Okay. Okay, it works. That was the only issue. Okay, sir.
Okay. All right. Okay. I like these pictures, and I
Do you
hope
like this one? Do you like this one? Because I could not find any.
for practice.
Yes.
Okay. It's not bad.
but everything else is good.
All of them are okay, yes.
And I
Okay.
have found a good one for the leap year.
Well, okay, well, let me see. Which one was the one for leap year?
Yeah,
I can't see your mouse.
this one here.
Okay, I'm coming.
The 2016.
Okay, yes, I've seen it. I've seen it. Okay, that's a good one. Okay. So are these all the files that are there? You followed everything, right? You didn't miss
Yes.
anyone.
Yes.
So how many files are there altogether? 9 times. How many are here? How many rows do you have here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 50, 56.
Are you sure it's 56?
Yes. Wait.
Okay, 9 times 6, right?
Yes,
Okay, yes.
54 add 2, 56.
Okay, 56. Good. Nice work.
We have a
Okay.
lot of files.
Oh, yes. I can see that. I can see that. Well done.
Yes.
Okay. So let's see. Um, okay. Okay, okay, there's no problem. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe we can do something new today so that we'll have more files to add. So you can leave this index.html. Let's go to a new file.
Called what?
Okay, so let me see. I'll send it to you. Let me see if I can send it to you
Okay.
via or should I send it via WhatsApp? Okay, let me see. Let me send it to you. I'll send it to you via the chat box. Then I'll also send it on WhatsApp so that I said I'll send it to you via the chat box. Did you hear me?
Okay. Okay.
Uh-huh.
I can hear you. I can hear you, sir.
Okay. I think you may need to write a note. Are you with your notebook?
No. I'm with the book, not pen. I'm with the book, but not pen.
Okay. Please go and get a pen. You write a note. I'm typing the note now.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm here. On the pen.
All right. Okay, good. You can just write down today's date. So I'll send a note now.
Okay, today is Thursday.
Did they give you guys homework to do during the midterm break?
No, sir.
Okay.
I'm not in. It was high school. They would. But I'm not in high school. I'm in primary school.
Okay. All right. What grade are you?
Year six.
Okay, year six. Okay. You guys call it year six now.
Next year I'll be in high school.
Oh, excellent. That's good.
Second, Sal,
Yes?
and I go to the toilet, please.
Okay, alright, don't be long.
Yes, sir. Okay, I'm back.
Okay. Okay. Can you see what I sent?
Sir?
Can you see what I sent?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Okay, I'm waiting for.
So can you see where the topic is? The topic is dynamic modification of HTML using JavaScript. Hello, Simeon, are you there?
Yes, I see it.
Okay, okay. So that you know how to write it in your notebook.
Yes. You know what I'm bothering with?
Are you saying something?
Oh no.
Okay. So the notes that you just copied now, do you understand it? Hmm?
Yes. But I've not read it. I just wrote it. I haven't read it, sir.
Okay.
So should I read it?
Yes, try reading it now. And while I'm sending you the chat
Okay, sir.
box before. Yes.
Okay, I understand it.
You understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me hear what you understood from it. Explain it.
So
How
before JavaScript was created as
mm-hmm,
a scripting language, HTML pages were just static text with pictures and link. And
mm-hmm,
um, if you lost internet connection,
mm-hmm.
your code will not respond, even a click. But when JavaScript was invented, when JavaScript was invented, it allowed them to have some form of processing in the browser. Even though you lost connection, you still notice that you have some animation or even the absence of the internet connection.
Okay, so the times that you've been using the internet on your own, did you also observe those things?
Yes.
Okay, so the good thing is that most of us now, in fact, I would say most people now don't know what a web page without JavaScript looks like. It was
Yes.
very, very static. Static means something that's not moving, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So dynamic is the opposite of static. So JavaScript makes things happen when it comes to um, the web page.
Yes,
You
sir.
know, yes.
Mhm.
So that's the advantage that JavaScript has.
Um, yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. The next week I will have them finished. So we can have no more time next week.
What did you say?
I say that our book will finish next week and we have to go normal time.
Yes, yes, yes. I understand. So let's just make the best use of the break as much as we can. Okay. So what I just sent now is supposed to be between script tags, right?
So what should I call the file?
Wait, I'm coming. Don't worry, I'm coming. I'll tell you the name. The name you can call it what should we call it? Okay, we can call it there was a time I was teaching this. I called it JavaScript magic.
Sir, did you delete what you sent?
Yes, 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 yes. I want to edit it. I want to add something to it. And I copied it before I deleted it. Okay. So you can call the file
I thought you said I should name it JavaScript Magic.
okay, .html. Have you already called it that?
Yes.
Okay.
What should
Okay,
I name
that's
the
fine.
title?
Creating dynamic pages with JavaScript. Dynamic pages with JavaScript. Have you seen what I sent now?
Yes.
That's supposed to be between the script tags. I'll show you. I'm typing what should be between the body area. Did you do some copy and paste there?
Yes.
Mm, okay. Let's see. I'm almost done with this. D-I-V-I-D. Nope, that's supposed to be I-D. And then this would be D1. Okay. Okay, so what I'm sending now is what will be between the body tag. That's in the body area. You know what I'm talking about, right?
Closing body or the opening body?
Of course, it's in between the opening and closing now. You understand what I'm saying?
But this one is here.
I know. So whatever was there now, replace it or put it. Okay, put it under. Put it under what is there. Do you understand?
What is under here? Like here. Put it here.
Let me see what you have now.
I have to delete this one.
No, it's okay. That's okay. That's fine.
Okay.
That's fine. So now look at the code very well. Do you understand what is expected of this code?
Yes.
What do you think should happen?
Wait. For this.
Mm.
You know, like at the chatbot we did, it will let us
Mm.
be able to click on something called magic, and then it will show this.
Okay.
That is the code.
Okay, yes, go ahead.
Mm-hmm. That is meant to work.
Yes, yes. So the idea now, what happens is that what was the original HTML there? The original HTML within that div, right? You see that div where that div that the ID is div1.
Yes. Div1.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So the original HTML there was what? Get ready, isn't it?
Yes. Was, sir.
But then when you now click on that button, what happens?
It showed creating dynamic pages with JavaScript.
Okay. So if you look at what's happening between the script tags.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Look at what's happening there. Can you see document.getElement by ID?
Sir?
Can you see get document.getElement by ID?
Yes. We're not even using document.write.
Yes, we're not using document.write. There are times that we will do document.write, but you can see what we have there. In fact, document.write is even a good one too, because with document.write, you can put HTML that was not there originally. And we're going to see one example that does that.
Sir? What did you say? Your voice glitched.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, I said that we will use documents.
That's right.
Yes.
So I should change it.
I didn't say you should change it. I said not for this one. I said we will use it in future examples. Maybe in the one I'll give you. Yes. Okay. So, but the important thing is to understand what is happening in this code. Would you say you understand it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay, I'll just say something here. You see that place where you have document.getElement by ID, right?
Yes.
Now, did you see in the place where we have the body, where you have div and the ID is div1?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Now that ID attribute, that you
Yes,
know is
sir.
an attribute, isn't it? Just like
Yes, sir.
VG color. That ID attribute is a unique ID. No other element on this page can have that ID of div1 again. An ID is like a unique way of identifying an element. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Now, you can see on this page how many paragraphs are there? How many P elements are there?
2.
Yes, there are 2, correct. The first one has creating dynamic pages with JavaScript. The second one has get ready within it, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Right now, there's no unique way of identifying it. All of them are the same, PPP, right? But if I wanted to separate the first one from that second one, all I need to do is to add an ID attribute. Okay, so by doing this, by adding an ID attribute, guess what happens? We can now go to our JavaScript and uniquely say, go to document. Remember, document is the whole body of the web page, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And say to document, go and look for an element that has an ID of div1. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
And you see that whole place there, that whole
what? Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello, Simeon, can you still hear me?
I couldn't hear you. It was like your voice went blank. I couldn't hear
Okay.
you.
Okay, my Wi-Fi went off, but I've switched to something else. Okay, but you can hear me now.
Yes, perfectly.
Okay. So I was saying that you see that whole place where you have div ID, assignment operator, div1, everything up to the closing div, the closing tag for the div, right? Including the paragraph in between that says get ready.
Yes, sir.
Everything there is called the inner HTML. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me explain. Sorry, I think I've mixed something up. Let me explain it again. From the div, opening div to the closing div, everything there is the element, the div element, okay, whose
Yes, sir.
ID is what? Div1. Everything, including the P that's in between. But you see the inner HTML, when you say dot inner HTML, you are saying only the things between the opening tag and the what? And the closing tag. Do you understand? So that's what it now means is that at the point that you click the button, what will happen? That button will call the function called what? Magic.
Yes, sir.
And that function called magic will do all these things. We'll look for the element, we'll call that document.getElement by ID div1. When it gets it, what will it do with it? It will put it inside that variable there called div object, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And then what will it do next? Dot inner HTML. So the inner HTML before that function is called. The current inner HTML is what? Paragraph that says what? Get ready, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Are you with me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So the next, what will now happen is that it will change it to become paragraph whose content will be what? Welcome to my dynamic page. Did you notice that? That's exactly what happened.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, so I'll send you more examples, but at least you understand what we mean now by that, the fact that JavaScript can change the HTML from what it was originally to something else.
Yes, yes.
And all that happens at runtime. It doesn't happen before runtime. It happens at runtime. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. So I think instead of us, do you prefer to wait till we have like up to 10 pages, or you will be adding the pages to your index.html as we go? Like now we have an extra new page, right?
Yes.
So will you just add it after our class so that you will not
Yes.
forget to add it? Okay, good. I think that's a good way so that you will not forget, and then we'll miss one out. Okay, so I think we'll meet on Saturday, right?
Yes.
Okay. On Saturday, I think we should just maintain 3 o'clock time.
Yes, yes, sir.
Right? Is that good?
Yes, yes, sir. It is.
Okay. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, so those odds that you have there, I noticed that some of them, they are you just copied the name of the HTML file and put there. You know, some of them are like sentences. If you can separate the words so that it looks readable, you understand what I mean by readable? Like that kind of
Yes.
thing. If you can separate the words, put spaces in between, it's perfectly okay. Alt can allow you to put spaces in between the words. But the HTML pages, don't put spaces there. Just leave them
Yes,
like
sir.
that. Okay. All right. You said you don't have any questions, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. See you on Saturday then. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah, you
I'll
too,
send you
sir.
something to do. Yes.
Okay, sir. All
Okay.
right, sir.
Okay. Bye.